like you don't want to go to the
oh, I'm saying one.
So think I'm very good papa ke so no one go ga itse ba go kena le ngwana ka mo ke yoko ke mamgolaka wa ka mo wa mo tshebe
Ngwana na dominance.
na 3 years.
No 3 years.
Waka.
Yeah. So for 3 years I tseba gore una le ngwana besides mamgolo.
Mamgolaka ke netse ba fe wa mo.
Yeah.
But ke nagana go ba bile o ba tshwetse ba bang.
But when you assume gore kaofela ba ka you've never told them gore na
ke na le pilo so ke na le almost 4 years or 5 6 years ke sa communicate le bone ga gone.
Ke ntse e breakile ntse.
Una ke la ka breaka to be over the communication in the family like after my mom's death. And then I said before actually I accepted to work anything because what's one but ba no to come ba bona ga gona like one o se letlhane mo family ga gona motho a person o se letlhane a family re ngala letlhane ka mogare ai e perfect which mean like it's not blessed okay sharp ke la di mistake tsaka ke la tlhena ba ka but ha le re kopane le ke se family ba ne ba go re se le topic precious why
papa ga kwa tsena le ngwana
no I can say actually my baby what's
a so go mothuetse wena
ke so communicate le la
so papa ga wena e sa iponesa a sanga tsebe gore ngwana gagwe wa tsuba
wa ona tseba le na ke le current so na tseba so I just precious you should stop this nonsense and what they can why should I stop this nonsense because of what's one le no o sana le mama ka zanga ba nna kwa ntse ke tseba fela gore ne ke ja di ice cream no ngwana wa ga ke kitchen as a cooking day but now se ke o dile ke batla tsotse so le zana ba nna kwa nna ko le di relationship tsa lona.
So do you think that distance about can be the one can be one of the reasons that you pity lifestyle or you even had to smoke those things no YouTuber
actually the family beside both parents father and family who's mama go malume bazamba ba mo fana since go like baba mo fana mama ba bona mama like it's how as a princess now precious ki yo precious ba mo tsenya.
So it only happened for the sake of your records for the summer macaco. You were never treated as ngwana bona.
No. Hopefully that's the one. The Christmas. I bought myself Christmas clothes, birthday presents, like cakes, so like late today, like a wish or like regular cake. Surprise! Or birthday how? But I never.
So okay, resizing, you know. I wanna know who and okay. Wa bona gore bophelo ba gago bile jwang ne? How long after you coming this side and your mom's dead, like this track ke tsubang currently letsa ganyana I wanna upgrade, like what was happening and why did you choose that certain drug?
Okay, it's thanks again.
After everything it's etsagetseng go bophelo ba gago o tsuba cat again. Yeah king etsa go upgrade gore I bona mo ena ka e betere compared to what I know. Who introduced it and why did you stick to it?
Hi, not the one that you feel. I'm not interesting you na. Ke feel ke ke straight. Go this name money. Ka re ntse ke tsebe bilang. Over like kintle why you are ki when true. Ke la ke thekela bogotho ke itjella bone.
So ne le batho aba tsubang go pila gago aba tsubang first time
sauna motho itlang re go khochomi ka se like ke tsametse ka le thekele ke kena school by that time ge.
So kimo wa ireka Crystal jo wa ibutla itshwane le ntashi ke ne o etsa gore o re ke dula ko yona.
Okay Crystal ha ke ya ko yona ke ne ke le kama but ke khuzetse ka yona go ska ba ya tlela ntla tshitsuba ntutse tsuba because ha itshwane so vele be ke iponela le nao vele ha itshwane itse ka lo ipa at first o tlo tla inthusa wa go motho ka tsetsa hao but some other times ke net.
Okay.
And I smart.
So, yeah.
Hey, vele ke bone ba kena batho.
Yeah.
Ba kena vele.
So, kakwa, skolong lo kakwa ke. Kakwa teng di trap house.
Actually, I was a teacher. Go coaching in Chile.
Yeah.
Private.
Yeah.
Private.
Okay. So, come kile. Okay. Come on, di trap house again.
Yeah, then but that's.
I'm just like a first day you can at trap house like. Really go in like. Really go in like. You and I enjoy it. Do I belong here or yes, I'm staying here? Like, what happened? First day I have ubula that.
Yo, it is a key chair. Yo, as I know you must see our chief.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not the balloon. My chief. So I
Nampele wena in your own words. I wanna anonymous like in her own words. Like what we done when I your own words. Like your first
I think we are now like that, like it. Oh, voila. Oh,
yeah.
Oh, something like one do it. Yeah, at least in a garage, how when I had a little plumber. I packed your plane like that boy money. Liso ka le kenele.
Yeah.
A monyako fela.
Go bona nje mo.
Yeah, o tla bona ka tshila ho ye spy e go ngata man le batho ba teng ba tutseng go tshosa.
So when how do like that? What's going through your mind?
Oh. Okay, Shapo. Ke ma pressure. Ya bo ba mtsang o ke kele o re motsebane. O tsa disitse hale. O be mnati. Ke Shapo. E o tshwere style. O tlotsa into be abo. Okay, Shapo ke. Ha ke na le Budikati, Kinali, on Kitsamantu, and Kashman fair. But the Hana Otung at the Melanga Otung Tamat, I keep protected.
Okay. So, give first time.
Yeah, give first time.
Yeah.
Like if you feel like
it doesn't interest you. Like
if you feel like princess. That's happy. Yeah, like Ali Vanyana like Yasho. I will not control them.
Yeah. So the first day we decided what was happening?
Okay, I didn't sleep, but I stayed the night there. Yeah, so no mnati to be the topics that I didn't like.
Job like
yo never to sit down.
Like the about the
no, like I want maybe babale gadget phone. Channel. Maybe to channel the neck again. I mean, it's because I didn't talk, man. When maybe just maybe get for too much.
Yeah.
Can't you know? Nakunga see it's real, like shocking.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, it's something I was saying, like, see, fire, and some Italian. Hey, why not? I don't want you to know about Makala. It's I'll say, 5 o'clock, like 4 o'clock.
So, Lawan Lawan choose,
yeah.
But you don't mind to spend the night now.
You don't mind. Like to Africa, we must fall. So when I was like, yeah, Moya wa Cocovan. Oh, Christina. Oh, are you crossing your fingers?
So, like sleep. Like how long did it take you for over comfortable? But yeah.
That's a show like
I remember shut down and what?
Yeah, that's
yo. Okay, so you say again, 24 hours.
Yeah.
We have 24 hours in your bed.
Like ole.
Yeah, things in your bed,
yeah.
Umtshele wena into oke wayibona iyenzakala phambi kwakho hayi kuwe iyenzakala phambi kwakho oke wayibona wena ongasho ukuthi yo yabona ama drugs amasimba king.
Okay, epeleni nahe ke tla itsho mara e botlhoko yo
no sizoza leya ufuna wena oke wayibona
yeah ke yona ke re ke baka ga rekisana shem ga
rekisana jwang
ke gone e phaya ka le so le 5 tag one guy ngwana ba tshoka mo fa 20 rand ha tsebe like phile 50 rand ke expectile go rampe 20 rand mo 20 rand ke expectile re ke jeli
yeah still
ke go breed yo ngwana a hana tlemele ke tseng ke mo tshosetse
yeah
like yo
metsa feel small
yeah ke bone yo ke lena ka ikela ke ile kenya monna mena make sense e ke ba go tsusa ke le mayano e tlo nka re ke tseba too much ke ntshonyana tse
so motho o ka bometsetsa ntho sa fitile ka wena sa batla something else
le ke tsa masole ke gore ke sana ra lometsa re keng re mamenemene
yeah
ha fetsa o tsaya ntshita ke pare fetsa ska wa ra fetsa re mo ka cell phone sina ke phone fetse yeah re mamenemene too much re ka difatlhego tsa batho ka spal
okay
ka pop
so wena o phila bophelo bo papa ngwana kae
a tsoka ke bophelo nna le ke di bone ke
yeah se ke bo ba trap house papa ngwana kae
ne se gaona
so na le ngwana o okay
but ngwana o dula ko papa ngwana
okay
then ge nna
go tla jwang gore ngwana dula go papa ngwana ba le ngwana ke ngwana mme
ba decide mama moshimane yona sa tseba story sa go tsala
okay
yeah so ba ka semphe ngwana ke tsamelene base go ba tseba a ke na ke o dula no so ne ke tlo dula le bone ne never ke be yeah but then the family ngwana ke ngwana blood and it's blood so they told him like ba dule na mo fatse di sisters so no it's okay as o gaone le ntata ngwana o ga ba like o tshosise whatever it is okay ra tseba go janja but then he re nka ngwana but then he re kopa go tsela ka tsela and then
papa ngwana ga tsuba le
ya na tsuba le and then we can come to zaka biki biki dula go di family tse gaiti go di a se di trap house
yeah
ayo ilaka ke no but that when I see the trap house
okay
yeah ke di plek it's right same street for my kamo go papa ngwanaka
ya no re sa seba ka batho ge ke ba tseba wena ka wena what the worst thing that has happened to you come trap housing aba yetsang
go monna
yes
hey
like eno ka yetsa o kachi abona even I don't wish it to my daughter kini ke ra etsa go
na ke found it tile mare after
okay
ke fua kae ke go rekisiwa vele
style
ha ona mo go balo ba tlo khumula tla ke fua kae o smart grand baba sometimes ba khona ma tshita gae
yeah
I shapo dinner showering like romantic things but like if I did out man I felt bad kuthi a ke batle etsa gele go ngwana why motho o sa ntse nnete gore go tlo tsala ntse so itse monna go tlo ba cool but moment a sa tlotsa le teng ba go tsamele o ya go shopola ka dikwae how go be mogoseng a soka a gutla already seretse shapane ba
yeah
already seretse shapane okay ngizamuma ngizamilente ke ntse babalasi okay sharp hi lelo spectile hore ke me re bonane bo mafulente so I was not interested
yeah so zange lisabonane babe
yeah and then I just quit anything go if it's why askis you were not the guy I was looking for
so I want you to him Ali like are you protecting yourself
yo nah ke ba ka nna he
yeah
nna ke lanka tawa ba re ke blank ga kana
yeah
bona a ke tsa tsibe ge so mona le ba tsiba ka bo mare nna ke ha ke gopola ke le yene o I get lose pipe
yeah because kon muntu ke wa nkhalela go te shifting in all I can say in infectile like kona ababile pregnant mo kona babile HIV infected mo you understand so go botsela ka ntwe go like abayetsa if somebody tlo have mo go pila ga obviously that person o tlo yetsa ntwe go pila ga anata
like ge drunk
like you go trap house kimo ba shapana mo la batho ba shine phambi kwakho kahle abana ndaba
yes
so ngisho le condom ayikho
vele magona ba tshwarang
mina nhlala nawo ama condom ngita amapoti bano faka ama-condom.
Hayi, nakithi.
Okay, take ibanga ngitsini.
Hayi, kithi.
Yabona sakhe.
Bona ebongene condom. Hayi, kithi kitofela plastic. Imali condom yesitswa ngayo.
Kisho ko ntshaba ntsuba. Awuyitsini.
Next so hang go shaka sisibe yabo.
Yo.
Hayi.
Hayi udlanyana nyana. Okay, so awunjetse okay, when I go philong bo lobuphitsing ba that lifestyle. What is the most and the worst thing o ka gore bonketsi bona, like ama-drugs angithathele yona, like ikaba eng go wena?
Okay. The most important thing ke batho ba ratang. Close people, friends. I get you like friends and get you family to come on tse madiaka. But then kore tse madiaka like in getting lerato from bona, trust you, honesty, everything man, because okay bang type but no see go so difficult because ever since go so utlwa mutsubo ish fuck no baba
Yeah.
hey but modi tshwantse snacks boma utswa boma community ai sharp.
Okay.
Yeah, because usually ke motho di job.
Okay. Awukazi ubosho.
Nah.
Awukazi ube nje involved into lezi zokulabusha umphakathi.
No. Kapane ka tswa ka kopantsa ngweteng. And then if go kopane.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So what you know tell the peace job like what I'm saying like like
washing.
Okay, the peace job is about
cleaning.
Okay.
Something like if go na lobuto ba mpatlang go so mpatlang kaya.
So tšhelete eo ke yone maintain ngwana or ke yone maintain habit?
Let's say both. It maintain na ngwana.
Okay.
The habit happy.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when the main aim ya gore o tsoga o yo bereka is it because of the habit or because of ngwana or because of when? Like right now how wena a ba tlo itlogelela ke eng e important ka wena gantle?
I got to go
like mangathi wena awufuni ukuziyekelela ne yini le important kuwe, like are you fighting for yourself, your child or your habit?
Ke la motho ke motlisitseng like sitse e ke jetseng ke yone ke yo go ntshile ke emammo go ya ke tsaletse ngwana.
So how does it feel go ngwana ga go kwa wena you are other side?
Ga bonana like no ke di holidays hang but it like next week 3 months straight.
Okay.
Yeah, but ga bonana
wa gona le access o kena go
vacation
chatting
e ngata ga go yo ga golo like from aunties sisters ba ga go le ka ba kopana go step o tsebe o ga iska wa re tla go tsa like ona tloka something. Yeah.
So wena a o re ka go bong ngwanyana ka bomshimane ba tseba gore wena motho jwang? So ba o tseba se motho jwang?
Ba tseba precious o lovely o happy.
No ke gore se ke tso gore like tsoba le decide gore I am ready to ntana sohlala nae wena o rile ba ntseba gore ke jwang?
Ba tseba the situation ke tswa go yone.
Okay.
Mama sa le mo lefatsheng so precious sa ka stamele ngwana ene a bujeng ngwana. Blah blah.
So okay when in your own words are you an addict?
Hi na ke yone.
You're not an addict.
Ay ke na lo dule nna bo 3 months 2 months a month exactly. Yeah.
Then after 2 months 3 months month what you
ke khotlela ke kutwa ke khalletse gona le krebinyana eo ke.
No I can't the addict part is that chronic disease abakhuluma ngayo ukuthi noma into ngathi yabona into namhlanje ayingihlupha.
Yeah.
You understand? But kunokufika ilanga ukuthi high blood hayi ukuthi everyday igazi lakhe lida.
I very sure.
Uyangithola. So khona lelo langa leli ukuthi high blood yami ikhuphukile.
Yeah.
So it's a chronic disease lana.
Yeah.
So when I'm from ukwazi in your own words are you an addict?
I'm not.
You're not an addict. So do you want to see yourself as a changed person?
Cool.
So when are you gonna start that meeting? Which way you change from what? Because if you change, if there's something you're so good already, you wanna change to be something else. You understand? But if I'm so edit, singabuza audience, we edit but
addict.
So you addict, and do you need the help that we offer here?
No.
You understand? So if uzokala wena ube in denial, it won't be possible for you to get the help that you need.
But now, okay, excuse me.
I guess it's not for us.
Yeah.
It's for the next person. Or I'm a meeting.
Yeah.
You
Now
understand?
can you ask this? Sorry, but can I?
Yeah.
Addict ne na ke understand batjha ba re ile ntse ba addictive man ka phazamisa go a ke re ntse a iqala tlhaga o iqadile a ke re ke ntse mogara yona
Weekend.
wena weekend
Yeah.
exactly so ke me go be easy go weekend tse mogara yona ya gore okay a ke na 50 rand batho le gore ke ntse ke reka it's fine go on. If someone again ka yone ntho then o ba le kwali o kwata because of another chelete go ire go tswa addict.
So when motho a fitla le yone ntho wena ona 50 rand wa robala ke a fitla nna ke na le yone ke ra ditsuba wa tsoga ra tsuba
yeah a ke go kwena ga ga tsube
wa tsoga then you are addict.
No if ever o tle ko mothong let's say ke tshugo ke shaka and then o tle ko mothong o ne kwa tsubiwa if o tlatse o tsubisa ke go tsuba ne but if o fa motho pizza or whatever it is ke bona ntho tse tsalang never ke nkele class le ke re ke go jwang never yeah got my pride
yeah so ngicela ungitshelele omunye umntana ke oyi1 ngada ne like oyi1 like looking at the camera and saying ela ngwana tlogela dilo tse tswa go dilo tse ke re o di galla no tswa mo like in your own words how can you put that
I can mantswe mangata ntse tse ka batla ba go tsetsa ka tsone ke tla ba ga bele ke khalmedi dane mo khalmela ke ntse difficult yeah ntse ke tla ba go tsetsa mo gore hey le no ha ke batlo le go no or ke is dangerous but hey e ba le mothapo wa he abo gore e ba le pride ya hao until motho ga tlatse ya wena ke yo wena ska ba nka gore re kutlwe e jwang yeah because you don't know who sits in ka that's it.
Okay, yeah. So, have you ever tried to stop taking drugs in your way? Only one, right? Like I
You? Million times, several times, 10 times.
What made you fail? Because I heard you say Utoa Italian. So look
it's gonna have a couple of manufacturing. Yeah, I'm going to so Lina take what's in Nedisa. Ke sa khone go di kuka yes one ena ke ka di sheba ke fite mo dis situation tsena so ke putse gore yo ha ya tsa khona no ha ke ila teng
yeah so when have you ever tried to commit suicide like attempt like the mampela like maybe wa phuza amapilisi ayi50
ke la ga zama di domestos
what do you know
yeah mo re khama
don't watch it as fit watch it so kumele bayifit watch it
okay yeah
so what was happening in your life also decided to when
yo ke fihla message fela like hey le ke khole hey just go yeah
do you believe in the drugs the evil spirits
hi
khona le the evil spirits out to be
basile ke maka
so when that voice so you utlwa ke tsone
okay now ke ke tsile but now I feel ke yeah ke go pele ga kholo ya
okay
but now I think sometimes you can that them demon oh your ancestors but you should believe that we should be when you sober when you drunk if you are only drunk I go tshong bothata boteng but if you are only sober I
hear you so do you have any regrets when a lifestyle with pilling
I don't know I regret
Imonati mara wa regret yeah so would you like to get out of this trap
yeah khagolo
like you would love to get out of this trap awuyisho ngamagama wakho nje for the next person okhanya ukukusiza that next person okhanya ukusiza anonymous ara utle gore what do you What are you asking for?
Ke khalla like go quit abo.
Hey, mara mujwetse.
Sebetsi.
Like mujwetse gore nna ke ga quit. I want to see myself ke up
Yeah.
back. I want like sales.
Ke batla mete DJ so actually I'm a singer abo.
Okay.
Yeah ga golo ish yeah la utla le lona man ya ke motho man yeah vocalist beat engwe le ngwe ke tla kena help le tla bona man yeah bophelo ba change.
Okay mfethu hayi bafethu nazwela bafethu hey sister uyafuna nayo change abafethu. Okay mana nama ngikho sure because usaphika kuthi yena uyaphema or uyilo angaphemayo uyangithola. So angazi ukuthi uyochintsha sibenza ini but uyafuna uphuma kule trap akuyo umuntu ofuna uxolisa kuye nje deep down usenhlizweni that person oyi-one.
Okay. First to my
you can say the title not the name like ukatsho gore mamaka or nkgono I'm sorry but not the name.
Yeah the first question.
Okay.
First thing I would like to
First
I would like to apologize to my first family. I mean first and my baby yes. And then secondly, and my adopted child.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry, yeah, I've been a mama, I know, but not the best one.
Okay.
So I do not know about
okay.
That's it.
So when adopted from
the guy that I did.
Okay. All right. So it's a stepchild.
Yeah, stepchild.
Stepchild.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, bafethu. Ngesibonge si agent of change bafethu. Ipotila sekasi anonymous.